I think April we've seen madness and we've seen what really could be called as a magical comeback. First, everybody thought that nothing in the world will go right when the tariffs started rolling in. Now everyone is saying that nothing in the world will go wrong because sanity has come back. So what is the right way of looking at the world first and then markets after that?
Well, I must admit, Nikunj, that, not the volatility, because I've seen more volatile markets, but the news flow, which sort of disrupted everything that we know about how, economic policy and economic affairs have been conducted across the world for many decades now. Certainly all of that suddenly came undone, literally overnight, and then we've seen multiple attempts back and forth. But without going into that without too much detail, because honestly, we still don't know what the final destination is and where the US policy and where China itself will be able to sort of, readjust their thought processes. I think the bigger question is, all of this really creates a lot of uncertainty. I think the biggest, sort of victim of this uncertainty will be corporate capex. And I'm not referring to India, I'm just referring to across the world. Very hard for companies to take a call on where to build capacity, how to build capacity when you've got so many moving parts. Obviously, at some level, even in India, those decisions will be held back. And then finally, that will also translate into some level of uncertainty on the parts of consumers who may decide to hold back on big ticket decisions because they're also wondering how all of this is going to play out. So I think the bigger concern is that you are once again looking at softer macros and softer global growth numbers in the near future.